Okay, so this is my 2009 Nissan Maxima. So the problem is every time I go into reverse or I pull up to a stop sign or a red light, there's this noise that's coming from the passenger side engine bay. I can't describe it. It sounds like a clicking noise. Even if the engine is cold, it's not cold right now, but if it's cold or if it's warm, anything, the noise doesn't get quieter or louder. It just stays the same. So right now I'm gonna go into my driveway. I'm gonna reverse into it and see if you guys can hear it. Let me put my windows up so you can. So yeah, this happens anytime I start braking, or yeah, it's only when I brake. So when I brake or when I'm in reverse, like pulling up to a stop sign or to a red light, there's that noise that happens. And I was wondering if any of you guys could help me out. Let me know what the issue would be. I'm thinking maybe it's the water pump, maybe something's loose, but that's my only guess right now. Anyways, thanks for the help in advance. Bye-bye.